In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the issue type in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get right into it. First things first, to change the issue type in Jira, you need to log into your Jira account. Head over to your browser, go to your Jira login page, and input your credentials. Once you're logged in, you're ready to proceed. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to select the project where the issue you want to change is located. You'll find your projects listed on the dashboard. Go ahead and click on the relevant project to enter its workspace. It's like stepping into the project room where all the tasks and issues are organized. After you've accessed your project, you need to find the list of issues. Look for a menu option that says List or something similar. It's typically located on the sidebar. Clicking on this will bring up a comprehensive list of all issues associated with your project. This view is essential as it gives you a clear overview of what's currently going on. Once you see your list of issues, keep an eye out for the three-dot menu. This menu is often used for more advanced options. Click on the three dots and a drop-down menu will appear. It's like opening a toolbox filled with various useful features. From this menu, you'll want to select Bulk Change Work Items. This option allows you to modify multiple issues at once, which is great if you have several items that need the same change. After clicking on that, you'll be prompted to select the issues you want to change the type of. Make sure to check the boxes for all the items that you want to modify. This could be a single issue or several, all entirely up to you. Once you've made your selection, click Next to proceed to the next step. At this point, you'll come across various options for editing the selected issues. Look for the option labeled Edit Work Items and select it. This is where the actual editing happens, and you'll soon be able to change the type of your selected issues. After selecting Edit Work Items, once again, click Next. You may feel like you're going through a series of steps, but don't worry, you're almost there. The next screen you'll encounter will allow you to configure the changes. Look for a section labeled Change Issue Type. In this drop-down menu, you'll see all the types of issues available in Jira. Whether you need to change a bug to a story or a task to an epic, this is where you can make that adjustment. Click on the desired issue type you want to switch to. For example, if you want to change your issue to a spike, select that option from the menu. Once that's done, you'll want to click Next one more time to confirm your changes. A culmination of your selections will appear on screen, giving you one last chance to review everything. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Confirm. This will finalize your changes and start the process of updating those issues. After hitting Confirm, be patient for a moment. The system may take some time to process your request, especially if you changed a lot of items. You'll need to stay on this Progress tab as it updates your issues. When you see a confirmation that your changes are done, it's time to close the tab. Go back to your project by navigating to the issues list again. It's a good practice to ensure everything has been updated correctly. You should now see the issue types reflecting the changes you made. And that's it. You've successfully changed the issue type in Jira. Hopefully this guide makes your experience smoother the next time you need to complete this task. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and consider subscribing for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.